underneath the wing.
Twitch of the aileron there. Thrust, correcting any crosswind. Yep, a little bit of crosswind is keeping his right wing down. Unless that's the down. No, he is holding the right wing down very slightly. There we go, that's slightly too much. Right wing down, look. Yeah, now he's straightened. See, now he straightens the gust.
Yeah, it's computer controlled, isn't it?
I don't know, I'm not sure. I don't think so. Possibly it's reacting very quickly.
What are we? 4,000?
Really?
I don't know.
About 1.5. Probably about 2 and a bit. It's hard because I can't look directly downwards. Yeah, it's probably about 2.5. Low cloud base today over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably about 3 now. I don't know actually. It's hard because I can't look down. We're still below 5 though, I'd say. It's changing flap positions.
God, it's rolled back a bit more, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, the centre of pressure is different on the wing, so it's slightly. And watch the elevator as he rolls. What was that dong for then? That was probably fine looking at it. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew have now been released to commence their duties. We'd like to remind you that the seatbelt signs are still on, so please do remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs above your head have been switched off. We suggest whenever seated you keep them loosely fastened. And just to remind you that smoking is not permitted at any time during today's flight. There are 2 toilets on board this aircraft, one at the front of the cabin and one at the rear, and they're both fitted with baby changing facilities. Very shortly we will be giving you the opportunity to buy something to eat or drink from our AC kiosk. We have a selection of sweet and savoury snacks including muffins, Kit Kats, Pringles and a choice of fresh baguettes. To drink we have coffee, tea, hot chocolate and a full range of golden bar drinks. Details of our products and prices can be found in our summer collection brochure, which you'll find in the seat pockets in front of you. In our in-flight magazine you'll find details about all of our current destinations. For your information on today's flight, we do not sell any hot paninis. We do accept sterling and euros, and the lowest denomination in euros we can accept is the 50-cent coin. And only alcohol purchased from us may be consumed on board the aircraft. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
I was going to say when she started saying all of that.
Señores pasajeros, por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que se apague la señal luminosa de cinturones. Hay 2 aseos a bordo, uno en la parte delantera y otro en la parte trasera del avión. Recuerden que en este vuelo no está permitido fumar. La tripulación pasará en breve por la cabina con el Easy Plus. Encontrarán información sobre los productos y sus precios en la contraportada de nuestra revista de a bordo, que les repartiremos seguidamente. Se trata de un ejemplar personal, así que pueden llevárselo si lo desean. Les rogamos que nos ayuden teniendo preparado el importe exacto de su compra. Pueden pagar en libras esterlinas, euros o francos suizos. Gracias por su atención y les deseamos que disfruten del vuelo.